Are your Windows apps broken by the qt5widgets.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. This DLL file is a specialized Qt5 library that provides a set of UI elements like buttons, menus, and text fields. It allows developers to create standard, consistent user interfaces for cross-platform C++ applications. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This error commonly appears when Qt framework files are missing or corrupted. Reinstall the official version of Qt framework to repair the application and replace the qt5widgets.dll. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the qt5widgets file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Remember that the qt5widgets.dll operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to the qt5widgets. If this fix repaired the Qt framework dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.